Sir, supply to grid.
Supply to grid, it's a very important parameter, supply to grid, and it can be used in that particular time, Durga Puja or any festival. Maybe in your nearest place, maybe any any Durga Puja committee is there which is doing their Durga Puja and all, they are purchasing the power. But why you people are not given? Any idea you have why you are not given in the power into the grid? You always taking the power from the grid. Why you are not given to the grid?
Sir, free or paid, this cost, regarding cost
Regarding cost means,
means,
say
if
say
I,
you are consuming in your college, maybe I'm just giving an example, maybe 1,000 unit of total college consuming 1,000 unit of power. So if you are given in the daytime in the grid, maybe 50 unit, maybe 100 unit, maybe 200 unit every day. So then you can, you can earn the money from the college to sub, given the voltage in the grid.
yes.
But why not you are doing? Any idea?
Sir, we have not such system in our college, so that we can supply our power to the grid.
Sir, actually, uh, means whatever the system you are talking about, I don't know. But if you can give, it will be better, because you sometimes you wasted your money. Means maybe you have the investment of uh 5 crores or 2 crores or 3 crores in your whole college for the installations of solar panel. Maybe you are not using, maybe your college is not given, but someone is given. Maybe government of Jharkhand is given. Maybe any kind of boards or any kind of person or any kind of company is given, but someone is given. So this is nothing but a wasted of money. So how this problem will be solved? Any idea you have? Because in your
Sir,
Jharkhand state, yeah, yeah, tell me, madam.
sir, according to my think of view, if we want to do this such kind of a thing, then at first we need to maintain some real time data, like at which time the load demand, or which hour. There are the specific hour, the specific load demand is always in changing mode. So if we just record our data, like in which hour we can how many amount of megawatt power we need to give to the grid, then we can maintain some data for some time, and then we can do these things. And I obviously
Madam,
for this we have to need to take some permissions from government also, like things.
you ever going into the any government site?
uh,
No,
Actually
sir.
the government side, no, actually
You going into the
government
any
side.
government officials to you want to give the supply to the power grid, you want to say something about this, your presentations and all?
No, sir. Actually, they all things are in private. They maintain some privacy for their data, so we can't take the data like that. But
Forget about
if
the data, forget about the data. They purchase the the electricity from any others, any others vendors or something like that, maybe DVC, maybe any others
yes,
vendor they are purchasing, because they are not have any kind of plant like PDCL or something. There is no plant is there in the Jharkhand by which is operated by your Department of Electricity.
yes, sir. There
So
is
they are purchasing. So they are purchasing. So why not purchase from you?
okay, okay, okay. I can understand now. Okay, okay, sir.
So there is a big reasons, because in the Durga Puja time or any festival time, maybe your college is totally off. Maybe you are generating 100 kilowatt or 200 kilowatts. But you know why it is not utilized in that particular time only? I talked in the, maybe 1 years or 2 years or 3 years back. I don't know whether the situation is changing. They are saying we are purchasing only maybe 0.25 paisa per unit. We say that you are given me in the cost of 5 rupees or 6 rupees or 7 rupees, and you are purchasing from me only 0.25 rupees. They are saying yes, we are not required at all. So what are the procedure is maintaining in other state? Other state have the meters. Say in your college, there is meter is connected, which is outgoing and which is incoming. Say outgoing unit maybe the 500, and incoming means you are consuming the power from the grid, maybe in the evening time, maybe in the night time, maybe in the different kind of times, maybe foggy weather or something like that. Then then your consumption total maximum is a in the in a month is a 498. Means you are supplied 2 units more than with respect to whatever you are taking. So they will be provide the money. Means money for 2 units only. Not like you are given 500, 498, 498 into 5 rupees, and I am given you the 0.25 rupees into 500. Not like that. In every state, this the system is followed. But unfortunately, in Jharkhand, this system is not followed. Maybe nowadays is followed by I don't know. But whenever I check in the 2 years, 3 years back, in that particular time, they are saying 0.25 paisa per unit. So that's why we are not going ahead to given the supply into the grid. But for environment point of view, for state point of view or nation point of view, it should be supply in the grid. That will be better to everyone, because it will not be which one is not required. It should be used in the different kind of places. But another problem is there. Can you say why they are not faith on us? Whenever I told to them, I the opposite side reactions, then I assuming some maybe this kind of problem is happening. What are they are not faithing us that we can provide the 100 kilowatt or more than that? Anyone have any idea? Say we have maybe the 200 kilowatt power stations or power supply with the help of the solar. You cannot say, sir, tomorrow morning from 9 o'clock to up to evening 5 o'clock, we can provide to you the 100 kilowatts of power. I cannot say, because whenever we are provide the power, maybe in the very next day is a foggy weather, and we are not generating of so much of power. So it's a uncertainty always there in your solar system. Maybe in the future, some kind of things will be creating when the foggy weather, some another system will be generate, and from that the same kind of power will be generate. And in this kind, one after another, these situations will be fruitful situations. Whenever in the any kind of weather, generations of the any unit or any college will be the same. There will not be any change. So otherwise it will be very difficult for the electricity board also, whether you can provide the electricity or not. Maybe in the daytime you are committed that you will be provide, but maybe due to the weather and all, you are not providing. So these are the problem, these are the challenges we are till today we are facing. Okay, going into the next slide. These are the plant I'm given some example of the plant where the this kind of solar PV is used. Just see the last line of the ninth number, whatever I say, in the PDCL 5 kilowatt in West Bengal. It's in the Rajarhat. It's a setup, a 5 kilowatt. The solar PV setup is there. Are available in India, but remember it's not the